The deadly mosquito-borne disease, dengue fever, has resurfaced in St. Catherine, with at least 30 persons being infected since the start of the year. That declaration was made at a recent public health and sanitation meeting in St. Spanish Town, St. Catherine. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
Mosquito-borne diseases and St. Catherine, the two almost synonymous for some. This is because mosquito-borne diseases like dengue fever and Zika virus have been a nuisance in sections of St. Catherine for some time now, with recent island-wide outbreaks starting in areas like Portmore. The condition has been made worse by torrential rainfall, which saw an increase in the mosquito population. The St. Catherine Public Health Department says since the start of the year, at least 30 people have contracted dengue fever. Councillor for the Geisel Division, Leroy Dunn, is worried.
Not many places out of Lower St. Catherine, meaning Portmore and Spanish Town, have had vector control activities carried out. So my question is, this increased number of cases, where are they? Where are they reported?
In addressing councillors at a recent St. Catherine Public Health meeting, representative from the St. Catherine Health Department, Denise Henry Douglas, confirmed that the increase in dengue cases in the parish has forced the health department to take quick action.
As you know, with our very limited resources, we do try our best to reach out to all the communities for adult-style activities. But with the recent dengue fever cases, we have to intervene. Right? And a part of that intervention is that we would go into those communities after receiving the report to do adult-style activities 3 consecutive nights.
With these actions, she says, the situation is being controlled. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.